Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview EasyCare Fountec. What is EasyCare Fountec? The EasyCare Fountec product is a specially designed algaecide that helps to effectively clear up decorative fountains, water gardens, tabletops, and bird baths in a safe formula that does not cause the water fixtures to foam or stain surfaces. This liquid formula will eradicate green, yellow, and black algae in your decorative water fixtures. The fountain algaecide is safe for plants, birds, and animals to drink treated water. However, it is not safe for aquatic life. Product benefits: specially designed algaecide for decorative water features. Intended for decorative fountains, water gardens, tabletops, and bird baths. Safe for plants, birds, and animals to drink treated water, but not safe for aquatic life. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.